Top Keeper. The universal rotary cultivator Top Keeper is designed to treat the vegetative layer of soil in gardens and parks, as well as to maintain garden paths and sidewalks. At the heart of the design is an electric cordless bush trimming cultivator which can work without recharging for up to 45 minutes. Inside the tubular rod, the actuator of the replaceable operating element is installed. The length of the rod can be adjusted to achieve optimum weight. The rotary trimmer has 4 replaceable cutting heads made of highly durable steel. The width of the treatment zone is 7.9 inches. Replaceable rotary trimmers are designed to cultivate the soil in those cases where access to the site is restricted. To remove weeds and vegetation, the rotary trimmer immerses into the soil, crushing the vegetation. Another nozzle trimmer allows effective clearing of artificial and natural lawns, partially loosening the soil. Fruit Collector. The Smart Fruit Collector is designed for easy harvesting of fruits and nuts that fall to the ground. In addition, it can be used to collect garbage in large areas, if the fraction is not less than 1.6 inches and not more than 3.5 inches. The device consists of a solid aluminum rod with a rubberized handle on one end. A rotary receiver is attached to the other end. It is made in the form of a movable roll cage fixed on a bracket. The catching grid is made of elastic plastic rods capable of deforming in accordance with the size of the object and letting it into the container, after which the rods take their initial position, preventing the object from falling out. A discharge opening with the guide is made at the back of the device. BECX HS131HR is one of the latest developments in the field of safe mechanical cutting of shrubs. The main problem with pruning plants using the mechanical method is extra splinters and chips from plants, as well as the waste getting into the cutting device. Attachments for a tractor with a hydraulic system are developed with a reinforced casing and a self-cleaning system for clearing the rotor from plant debris. The rotor is driven by a hydraulic motor, the speed of which can be infinitely regulated from the operator's cab. Cutting parameters, height, and depth of the layers are also regulated by the hydraulic cylinders. The cutting width is 52 inches, while the hedging can be carried out at any angle as it can be cut both vertically and horizontally. Weed Snatcher is a super digging hoe for snatching the grass from the holes between the pavement tiles. Each yard owner faces the problem of grass germination on garden paths and any other paved areas. The grass grows from all the holes. Besides, this applies even to surfaces under which geotextile is laid. The Weed Snatcher will quickly remove grass from the holes. The gadget looks like a long telescopic handle, at the end of which a special hook attachment equipped with rollers is fixed. Moving back and forth, the hook easily snatches the grass out of the holes without any effort, so even a teenager can cope with this work. Most importantly, the procedure takes quite a bit of time. You just gotta grab the hoe, pull it, and sweep it all. Aquor House Hydrant is a revolutionary floor and wall crane system designed for comfort of use as well as for prevention of pipe leaks and freezing. The idea is to connect the hoses between each other and to introduce a special structure of bayonets. They provide reliable locking and tightness of the connection due to the use of special sealing rings and wear-resistant plastic. Water is automatically turned off as soon as the hose is disconnected, which saves water and allows dispensing with taps. Anti-freeze protection is provided by a thin layer of stainless steel inside the system, so that the hydraulic system can operate at temperatures of up to -34 degrees. In addition, it is possible to deliver not only industrial water, but also drinking water. The system is easy to install and technically replaces a conventional outdoor faucet. Bededger. Bededger is a motoblock for processing the edges of lawns, flower beds, and garden paths that allows to accurately remove the top layer of turf at a preset angle. At the same time, the device grinds the remains of the grass, roots, and vegetation, which simplifies the process of removing debris from the treated area. The machine has hydrostatic transmission and stepless regulation of cutting speed and rotation of the working element in both directions. Powerful serrated blades allow cutting and grinding of sprouted soil and peat bogs, creating an even, aesthetic cut. Depth of the cut can be adjusted within 4.7 to 6 inches, while the rotor's angle of inclination can be adjusted up to 45 degrees. The plowing speed is up to 16 inches per second. For ease of transportation, the cutting rotor rises to the transport position with the help of a mechanical system of cables and levers. Surface Edger. Surface Edger is a patented device for clearing footpaths, sidewalks, and roads that allows clearing the edges of the tracks, the seams between the slabs and curbs at high speed and without producing excessive debris and dust. Surface Edger is connected to a regular high-pressure washer with a standard hose. It looks like a nozzle fixed on a wheel bed. The water saving is explained by the exact direction of the nozzle, hence the absence of splashes, water mist, or polluted suspensions compared to other devices for cleaning sidewalks. The required pressure in the system, from 5,000 psi, can be provided by any high-pressure washer. The water consumption is from 1 to 8 gallons per minute, and the speed of processing the edges of the sidewalks is increased by 10 to 20 times. Groom Pro is an electric garden trimmer. The gadget is an alternative to standard trimmers and shredders. The device uses a cutting blade with a diameter of 12 inches for cutting greens with the self-cleaning function on. The 500-watt electric trimmer is located under one casing with a part that cuts up to 0.8-inch diameter branches, grinds them, and collects the sawdust. After grinding and compressing the waste to a ratio of 10 to 1, the waste is collected in a special container. The device weighs 7.7 pounds and is well balanced. The remote container for sawdust can hold up to 16 gallons of waste, and the built-in container in the trim body can take up to 1.5 liters. The ergonomic body and rubberized handle enable pruning of complex bushes surfaces. Iro Smart Sprinkler System. Recently, smart house systems have become increasingly popular. Thanks to such systems, an alarm can be triggered by sending notifications to your phone or by activating the surveillance cameras. Now, thanks to the Iro Smart Sprinkler System by Rachio, you will have an opportunity to also manage the process of lawn watering. Iro Smart Sprinkler is not just an automatic watering system with a rain sensor. It is almost a complete weather station that sets irrigation based on a variety of factors, such as current weather, seasonal variations in temperature and humidity, and taking into account water flow restrictions that apply in some regions. You can configure all the parameters yourself or allow the device to choose an appropriate mode itself. Gardena TCS. The Gardena TCS cordless chainsaw ensures quick and safe tree cutting while standing on the ground. The telescopic system of the holding bar can lift the cutting bar to a height of up to 157 inches without using a ladder. Even the branches and dense sections of treetops can be easily removed thanks to the light, narrow cutting head. The inclined cutting head provides extra comfort when cutting. It is also possible to conveniently perform cutting operations on the ground. For example, for cutting branches already removed from trees to the desired dimensions. The decoder is powered by a simple Gardena battery system with a lithium-ion battery of 18 volts and 2.6 ampere hours. The battery can be quickly charged at any time without any memory effect. Guys, thanks for watching. Please write in the comments what you liked most. Stay tuned, lots of exciting news is in store for you. See you soon in the next video.